Welcome to Study Loop.
In this problem of DC circuit, we have given that an electric heater connected to a 120 volt source consists of two identical 0.4 ohm elements made of nichrome wire. These are of two quantity. The elements provides low heat when nichrome wire is connected in series and high heat when connected in parallel. So series, so we have low heat, and in parallel we have high heat. And now we have to find the power at low and high heat settings. So power is equals to I multiplied with V, or we can say I square multiplied with R. So here when they are connected in, say, in the series, so this would be your connection, and this would be 0.4 ohm, 0.4 ohm, and this is V, which is equals to 120 volt. So R equivalent is equals to 0.8 ohm, and now we can find the value of I. So current is equals to, this would be V. So this is 120 divided with 0.8 is equals to, this would be 150 ampere, and now we can find the power. So power is 150 square multiplied with the resistance. So R equivalent is equals to 0.8, so this is 0.8. Now when we solve it, so power is equals to 150 square multiplied with 0.8, so this is equals to 18 kilowatt. So this is the answer for part A. And now the heat setting are high. So here parallel, so this is parallel. In parallel, R equivalent would be here 0.4 multiplied with 0.4 divided with 0.4 plus 0.4 is equals to 0.8. So this is equals to 0.2, and this would be ohm. And now we can find the current. So current drawn is equals to 120 divided with 0.2. So this is equals to 120 divided with 0.2 is equals to 600. So this is 600, and we can find also IV. So 600 multiplied with V is multiplied with 120 is equals to 72. So power is equals to 72 kilowatt. So this is the answer for second part. In high condition, power is 72 kilowatt.